Hey guys, welcome back. I want to do a little unboxing with you, and then I have some fun little products that I want to try too. So first up is Target. I haven't bought a swimsuit this summer, and I'm actually proud of myself. I haven't bought any new swimwear, but we are going to a little micro festival, and it's at the river, New Braunfels, and I wanted a new swimsuit, so I wanted to get this little guy. And so this is a little top for it. I think it's really cute. It's gingham. I'm kind of in a gingham moment, and I thought it was very sweet, and like the little ruffly bottoms, I think they're just so cute. So excited to try this on. I'm not going to be doing it here, but maybe you'll see some clips of it. But maybe I'll post a picture or something or video on my Instagram or TikTok, so who knows. I think that's so cute. Oh my gosh. I like the little, how this goes up here, the underwire. I think it's really sweet. So I'm excited about that little swimmy. And then I also got the Essence Lash Primer. I've heard a lot of great things about this. I'm excited to try it. It's supposed to give you like more volume and more like va-va-va-voom lash. So I definitely will be trying this guy out. And then next up, I got a little Amazon delivery. I had ordered these so long ago. Sometimes on Amazon, when you order certain things, they take forever to ship and get to you. But I got these really cute little espadrilles. The brand is Alexis Leroy, and I just really like them. They're just very natural, very chill, and I wish I would have got them sooner. I wanted them for earlier in the summer, but it's Texas. I will get plenty of wear out of these. They're super cute. And then next, I have a few things from Ulta. And these we're actually gonna try out. So I got the Tarte Juicy Lip Tint, and I got the colors, which ones did I get? Let's see. So I got the Tarte Juicy Lip Oils, and I got the ones that were in, what was it, Cherry Blossom and Orchid. And I've heard, I also got some of these Flower Beauty ones, and I've heard that the color Sizzle is a dupe for Cherry Blossom. So I say let's try it out. This is Sizzle. So here's Sizzle. And it looks like you just like push up on it. Okay. So that's like very nude. It's really pretty. It's like giving your natural lip, but better. And so here is the color Sizzle. And it's like very similar applicator process. So I'm pushing up on it. Let's get her going. Ooh, there it is, okay. Whoa. I don't know about you guys, but I think that might be like a pretty dead-on color match. They feel like identical. They really do. Ooh, shoot. Careful when you're doing that, because I click this and you click it up. And so they don't pull back, they just spring forward. So if you were to like go to town clicking on them, like if you had little kids and they got into it, they could like waste all your product, which would suck. I think that that's really pretty. Wow. I'm impressed. So yeah, the Flower Beauty one, and like just to tell you, your savings difference, I got the little duo thing that was on sale. So you got, oh, it doesn't have prices on here. Well, I'll just put the prices online for Ulta. I'll link them for you guys so you can see. But yeah, that is really pretty. First thing is this Anastasia contour stick, which I'm so stoked about. I've heard this is really good if you're pale, and as we know, I basically sparkle. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. hello. Hello, cheekbones. Wow, that's nice. I wanted to get a kind of more bronzy stick because I have a stick form of my Merit Beauty blush and I love it. So easy, like to throw in my bag on the go. So I wanted something like that I could throw in. I love my e.l.f. one that's in the little pot, but again, using the pot and the brush, like this is easier as far as application, not having to dig your hands into something or your brush if you don't, you know what I mean? Like if you're on the move and you don't have a brush handy. I'm rambling. But yeah, so there's that. And then last but not least, I thought I would show you guys how these little pocket coffees work that I got in Europe. Oh my gosh, the straw is back here. Oh no, come on, little straw. So it's so cute. So inside here is a bunch of chocolate espresso. And so like you don't want, the thing you don't want to do is like rip this because then you'll have a mess. So you'll just take this, there it goes. Ah, I got it. So you put it in. Oh my God. And you get your little espresso treat. Maybe I should have put my lipstick on before I did this. But it's so good. My little mini haul of like the new little things that I got. Bueno. But I've got some errands to run and I think I'm gonna try and take you guys with me and do a little car vlog. So come along.